The second one, the second example that we brought is a machinery and equipment manufacturer. If you could please switch. Here we were in the traditional purchase to pay process. This machinery equipment company was really in a difficult financial situation. So we had the contract to find cost savings. Also, supplier performance was low, high stock levels, and basically no data available to evaluate the situation. So here we really went with the standard purchase to pay process, just as Enzo showed before. We used exactly this process, but the speciality here was that each of these 4 sites that we had to investigate, Germany, India, Slovakia, and China, in each of these sites there were different systems. And as you can see here, not only SAP systems, but also legacy systems like Ofida. So we built up the data model, we connected the systems together, and then started analyzing, and basically had, as you can see on the next slide, basically saw these effects. We could first of all benchmark the various sites together, because now we had them all in one data model. We could just, again, as you've seen before, we had this benchmark capability of Celonis and compared these sites and found out that there were big differences in and best practices. Also, certain suppliers that performed differently, and we found a cash discount volume. So right away, bottom line effects. The numbers are here much lower, because these were basically, this whole company is 500 employees. So each of these company between 60 and 100 employees. So relatively small sites, but interesting also in for these small companies, you can use Celonis and process mining. And then again, also automation possibilities and benefits, and especially for small sites like in India, these are quite high numbers compared to the salary levels there, etc. So this a very small company, standard purchase to pay process. Again, throughput time for the whole project 12 weeks.